So here we have a new streaming application fully updated for December 2024, giving you access to a massive library of live TV content, but also movies and TV shows. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. It has a fully working EPG, the electronic program guide, and I've not seen any adverts whilst using this special version. So in this video today, let me show you how you can get this application on all of your Fire Sticks, Android TVs, and really just go ahead and enjoy some amazing entertainment content. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here you can see directly on the Google Play Store, the application has had more than 100 million downloads. So super popular application, and the application is now also available for the UK audience, whereas before it was for USA only. And you can see when this was last updated. So hot off the press. But before we jump into the application, let me just ask you, have you ever been frustrated trying to edit a PDF, maybe sign a PDF? Well, today I've got the solution for you, because if you're looking to take your PDF management to the next level, I highly recommend you check out UPDF. You can edit pretty much any element, you can move pictures around, you can resize them, you can change your text over, you can change the font, change the colors, you can organize your PDFs, you can move things around, you can cut, you can insert, you can combine. Also supports annotations, so you can highlight, you can draw, and even supports stamps. If you have any PDF that is a form, you can easily add in text just like this. Sharing is a breeze with UPDF. Just one click, I can share a link with cloud sharing or QR codes, or even email my PDF. And it also has built-in AI, so you can now summarize hundreds of pages in seconds, translate PDFs into different languages, and so much more. It's like having your own personal AI assistant with your documents. To get these amazing features at a price which is a fraction of the Adobe products, you definitely want to check out UPDF. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment for a discount code. Welcome to unlimited movies, TV shows, and even live news channels. 100% legal, no subscription required, and you get lots of great content. Let's click on next. So it's just 3 times the content of Netflix. So that is a pretty big library. I mean, Netflix itself is a very large library. So to have 3 times that size of that library, I do think that's an impressive stat. Let's click on next. Available on all devices, phones, tablets, Roku devices, Android TVs, Fire Sticks, all devices covered. Get started. Let's get started. Now it does say that you can create a free account if you want to. This will allow you to add things into your watch list. You can save your progress, and it does also give you some recommendations if you want to do that. But for this demonstration, I'm not going to log in. I'm going to continue as guest. I do believe even as guests, you do get the ability to continue watching, which I will demonstrate in just a second. Okay, so we are now in the new home screen. So the first thing we see is the brand new featured content. So some of the more popular content in here. Currently in the home section, let's stay there. So we saw the featured content, then you have recommended content. So now here we see some of the more popular content, more recommended content. So for a quick test, if I just look at The Man, let's click on that. When you click on something, you get to see who directed the content, who it's starring, the age rating, the genre, and how long it is. Let's click on play. And this is the crazy thing, guys. I'm playing this content, and as you can see, in a couple of seconds, we are straight in there and no interruptions, no pop-ups, nothing interrupting our viewing pleasure. We are straight into the content. I can go back. Okay, I was in recommended, then you have recommended channels. I will go through the channel sections in just a second, but let's go through the main list. Leaving soon basically shows you some of the content that's leaving the platform as they make way for newer content. Then you got some sci-fi stuff, nostalgia, black cinema, recently added. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. So we can see some of the new stuff that's been added to the platform. Here, for example, we have this thing here, 2 hours and 6 minutes, sci-fi. Let's click on play, and in less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we are into that content, no interruptions, and we can really go ahead and enjoy all of this content, 100% official, 100% legal, and that's working great. I can forward that a bit. That's working flawlessly. Let's go back. Then you got thrillers, horror, something different, other content, other stuff, lots of different things. Let's go to the left. Okay, so let's now go over to networks. And here you can see, guys, lots of different networks in here. So if I'm only interested in content from FilmRise, I can click on that. And this will then show me all of the content from that particular network. And again, just a superb library of content that's available. Let's go back. Let's now have a look at the live TV, because that was one of the areas that was recently revamped. I was really impressed with the amount of content that you can get in here, especially with a fully working program guide. So let's click on that. And you can see, guys, now we have a fully working program guide. I can see exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. I get to see lots of different sports content, lots of different sports channels, all categorized, all properly sorted out in this massive list of channels that we can enjoy on all of our devices. That's working great. Overall, guys, I really am impressed with this new version of Tubi TV. As you've seen in the demonstration today, there's just such a large amount of content, so many movies, so many TV shows, but also the fact that you get that massive library of TV channels, including that fully working program guide. And to get that in an application that doesn't require any kind of registration, I definitely think this new version of Tubi TV is definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this on all of your devices, just press the home button. I can now go over to the search. Let's click on that. Let's now type in Tubi. There we are. Let's click there. And there's the application there. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application directly in your Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, or if you're looking for that more enhanced version of this application, you can find that directly on my website. Just go to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this custom version of Tubi TV. It is worth mentioning that depending on your location, it will determine what kind of content you see. To get the most content, you do have to have a USA IP address. Right now, there's a super special offer just for Black Friday, where you can get a super fast VPN, where they're offering access to over 3,200 servers in over 100 countries. So wherever you need to get your virtual IP address from, wherever you need to unlock your content from, having servers in over 100 countries means you can do that without any issue whatsoever. And to get all of that with a guaranteed 30-day money-back guarantee for $1.99 a month, so cheaper than a cup of coffee, to get that total peace of mind with 4 months extra free, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.